Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to jump on and sort out these stretch tyres. We went with the 165 on the front, 35/17, and we're losing a lot of air weekly, so we are going to change them up. Tomorrow morning we're going to head over to our mate's garage to get them sorted out, and yeah, let's have a quick look at the front tyres on the Mark 1 now. Right, as you can see, it's a heck of a lot of stretch on the T5 wheels. It looks great, but from a daily perspective it's not so great. I'm losing about 20 psi per week, and when you're only rocking about 30-35 psi in it, you know, you're back and pro quite often. The backs here, we have the 185/35/17 on there, and no dramas whatsoever with them at the moment, so I think we're going to put the same ones on the front. The same as the back wheels, some Nankang 185/35/17. We'll leave a link in the description for these. They're a good enough tyre, so yeah. So yeah, personally I do like the 165s on the 17s. It's just not practical enough for me as a daily use. It just doesn't, it's just too much of a concern. Every time I go around a corner I feel like the wheel's going to come off the bead, so it's not as best as it could be. Excuse the hat and gloves, it's like 2 degrees out here at the moment and I don't like the cold. The tyres are now on and all the rest of it. I did want to do some filming, but it was just so busy and so hectic in there that I thought it was best not to. We now have a smoother ride because of the more tyre wall, obviously. Looks wise is not as good, but it's for a more daily practical usage it is much better. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you watched and everything, please leave us a like and a subscribe, and we'll speak to you again very soon with our next video.